Hello, my name is Matas Vasilevsky, and this is my screenshot application which I did with Kiddie School. So I'm going to quickly go through a code and then I'm going to show off the project. So here you can see we have all the imports and we're using an import called PyScreenshot. Um, so we also implement a speech bot, I think it's called, which you'll see in when we run it. And here's the code to basically make it say something. And then here is the screenshot. So this is basically saying the image is what the screenshot you made was, and then it will show the image you made. And then this is basically say the image was taken and saved. And here's all the configuration, like the color of the app, the buttons, what it's going to be saying, stuff like that. So now let's run it.
Please press the button below to take screenshot.
As you can see, that was what the chatbot said. We made it what's it called? We made it transparent. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a screenshot, and as you'll see, it created a picture of
Image taken and saved.
that, and the bot said image taken and saved. So yeah, that's basically what the app is. Thank you for watching.